$500,059 in 30 days as a teacher. Who thought teachers could be paid that well? Well, I'm going to show you the future of education right now and how you can make a lot of money teaching what you know about online. I'm going to go over 2 ways that you can create a digital course. I'm going to go over the tools that I use to set up my website, and also 5 different tactics that I take to reach people through marketing. Now stay tuned. I'm going to lay out everything for you on a golden platter, how you can take advantage of the biggest transition that's happening in our generation, which is the transition of education from the colleges to YouTube. Okay, so $500,000 in 1 month is a lot of money, but I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can do this. And I by no means am unique in this. There are many other people taking advantage of this revolution in education. Now, what you have to understand is to do an online course, there's really 2 main kind of overarching ways. The first is that you are the expert in something yourself. Okay, now you can be an expert in anything, and I want to, you might have more knowledge about laying bricks, or how to get a job as a truck driver, or how to dress fashionably, or how to sleep train a child. That's something a lot of people can use help with, or how to ski, or how to garden in a desert environment. There are a million things that you can teach people about, but if you don't have any knowledge, if you don't have anything that others would find valuable on the internet, you can actually also interview others, okay? Towards the end of this video, I'm going to be going over 5 different traffic sources that you can use to get people to your digital course, and I'll also be going over what are some good ideas of types of businesses that you can start. What are the best things that do well in online courses? I'll go over that towards the end. But in my case, just to give you a little story about myself, I made millions of dollars with affiliate marketing. In fact, I still do make millions of dollars per year with affiliate marketing. So back in 2016, what happened to me was I was featured in the news, in Forbes article to be precise, about how I was doing very well with my affiliate marketing business. And I started getting thousands and thousands and thousands of people per week hitting me up. They were asking me, John, how do you do this? I want to work from home in my pajamas from anywhere in the world, whatever. And I said, I don't teach anybody how to do this. I'm just running a business and traveling the world. Go away. But finally, I'd had enough, and I decided enough people are asking, and knowing what I know about marketing and sales, I figured I just have to deliver something. And that's when, in 2017, I started my side hustle as a teacher, and I released first online course. Now, that online course has led to a large sum of money, and that has turned into helping others. And I've taken teaching extremely seriously, and that is now what I try to focus on to help encourage others to move into this business model, because I believe in the future, everyone is actually going to be an affiliate marketer. I mean, just person-to-person sales is going away. Everybody's online now, right? And frankly, I actually find teaching as a really fulfilling activity. I think teaching in general is one of the best professions that you can have. And hopefully this, as I go into our traffic sources, helps you understand how this business model works. So now, obviously, to deliver your online course, you need a website and you need some marketing. Now, you could host your online training course on something like Udemy or Coursera or Udacity, which are platforms, but they'll take most of your money. If you want to actually make a real living out of this, I recommend you set your website up on ClickFunnels. Now, what's great about ClickFunnels, and I should have some links somewhere around here, is that you can quickly and easily build websites with absolutely zero technical knowledge. I don't have much technical knowledge at all. I don't know how to program or any of that jazz, but ClickFunnels allows you to make it really easy to build websites and all of that jazz. So here, let me show you one of my websites right here. So here is my website. This is my sales page. This is explaining what the Super Affiliate System is. It's a 6-week training course. This is my training course on how to do affiliate marketing. And you know, the most important things for me to explain on here is what is included in the 6-week course and what is the proof that it's actually worked and created success for people. Now, I've done that, as you see, by just, you know, outlining very simply. I can edit things. I can, you know, course setup here, you know, check it out. And I can quickly and easily edit things on my website, and then I just click save up here. Now, as you see, I can quickly and easily edit any element on my website just by changing a few words. And then what I do is I'd simply click save up in the upper right corner here, okay? As you see, I scroll down and, you know, it also allows me to put in different columns and, you know, I put up some of the proof about my course, and just very easy to have different types of styles. So it isn't just like a bunch of words and a picture and a bunch of words and a picture. It really allows you to format things in a very easy to see way. It allows you to put in videos, as you can see. I just click this element, and right here is where I would enter in the video that I want people to see, okay? So not too hard. Additionally, it's very easy to place links in ClickFunnels. And as you see here, simply by clicking this button, I will be able to change the link out. And you can see right here, it says set action. And I just click this and I can change the action to be whatever link I want it to be, which is really exciting. And it makes it really easy because that's basically all there is to ClickFunnels, is placing images, placing text, and placing links. But they make it really easy to move stuff around. If I want to move this button here, I just drag it and drop it. If I want to move it here, just drag it and drop it. If I want to move it down here, again, I just drag it and drop it. So everything is extremely simple and seamless with ClickFunnels, and I enjoy it very much. The next big program I use to set up my online course is called Aweber, okay? And this is an email program that allows me to communicate with people who either express interest in my digital course or who are just, you know, interested in, who are customers and want to, you know, be on my email list to get content about what's in each week of my program. So Aweber has a 30-day free trial. If you want to get started with email marketing, I suggest first you sign up with ClickFunnels, which has a 14-day free trial, which you can check that out. Aweber features a 30-day free trial, so you can get started with that. And I should have links below this video where you can sign up if you want to start building your email list or start building your website funnel. Ooh, now we're getting into the good stuff. Let's talk about traffic. Let's talk about how do you get people to hear about you that are interested in actually consuming your content or learning from you. So let's not make this complicated. There's 4 main ways of reaching people on the internet. The first one is Facebook, okay? You can put up Facebook posts on your personal page, okay, which are organic. I call that organic traffic because you're not paying for that. That's free. But you can also reach people through Facebook if you have money. If you have more money than time, you can do ads, okay? So there's free or there's ads, okay? With ads, you get to select who you show your product to. If you're teaching people how to become truck drivers, you would show ads to people who might want to be truck drivers. Who those are, I don't know, but I'm sure you could find out somehow. The second way of reaching people is Google, okay? Now there's 2 ways of reaching people on Google. There's a free way and then there's a paid way. If you have more time than money, then you can put up blog posts. You can start a blog and you can put up blog posts consistently every day or every week for a while, and eventually, you know, and you put those around keywords: how to start gardening, how to start truck driving, how do I become a truck driver, how do I get a job as a trucker, etc. And you put up enough blog posts about that, and eventually you will show up in Google and get traffic. Now, the second way is if you have more money than time, you will do advertising, and you can literally just advertise on keywords such as how to become a truck driver or how to build a beautiful desert garden, etc., and you can reach people that way. Third way, can you guess what the third way is? It's Instagram. Easy, right? This isn't, people always wonder, they ask me, how do I get traffic? It's all in front of you. You're using it every day. Now you can probably guess what I'm going to say here. What are the two ways of getting traffic on Instagram? Boom! There's free traffic, putting up posts, and then there's advertising, okay? So very simple. Free and ads. Again, same thing with YouTube. YouTube is the same way. You can put up videos ranking for how to start a garden or how to dress fashionably or how to, become a trucker. And over time, those will show up in Google or YouTube. Let's check it out. So I'm here in Google, and as you see, I search for the term how to become a truck driver. Now you see the top 3 results, okay, 1, 2, 3, are ads. Okay, so ads are obviously one way of reaching people. Not everybody clicks on ads. So we can scroll down here and you see there's one organic result right here. The next 3 results are YouTube videos. Look at this. You need to watch this before you become a truck driver. How to become a truck driver. The truth about truck driver pay. Watch this before becoming a truck driver. Great examples of YouTube videos that are ranked. This is for free. This is a video somebody just shot, just hanging out. Some other person shot and posted on their channel. They interviewed a truck driver. They just free video and they put it up and it's one of the top results, okay? Want to be a trucker, learn all you can about the job before you make the leap. And this is a video somebody shot of a trucker or a trucker shot of himself sitting in a truck. You can see this. No production quality, nothing. It's got 107,000 views. Now, do you want to guess how much commission somebody makes when they refer a new truck driver? Can you guess for me? $3,000. $3,000 for referring one trucker is the commission you can make. So these videos with 107,000 views, if even 1 in 1,000 people ended up saying, I want to try to become a trucker, that person made $300,000. If 1 in 2,000 people said they wanted to become a truck driver who watched that video, they made $150,000 from a free video that costs nothing. Pretty cool, huh? So the last traffic source is affiliates, okay? Now, affiliates are the equivalent of franchisees. Now, if you've ever been to Foot Locker, if you've ever been to a clothing store, usually what you're doing is, at Foot Locker, for instance, you're buying shoes from other brands, Adidas, Nike, etc. Now, the relationship between Nike and Foot Locker is that Nike will sell their shoes at a 50% discount to Foot Locker, either a 50 or a 75% discount to Foot Locker, and then Foot Locker will sell the shoes at the retail price. And that's how affiliate marketing works, is when you sell somebody else's product or other people sell your product, you give them a 50% or 75% discount to sell your product at, so that they make half of the money and you make half of the money. That's fair, right? Because they're getting the people, it's their audience, they're finding the people who want to buy your product, and you create the product. That's the model to set up and become an online teacher. Now, that being said, becoming an online teacher is not as easy as I may have made it sound, or maybe I've made it sound really complicated. It's actually quite complicated and takes a long time to figure out, and it takes a lot of effort to effectively teach people and offer people something of a lot of value. And furthermore, you may get a lot of this stuff wrong. You may not be able to, where to market, but you may not be able to do marketing right that makes any money. You may lose money trying to market. You may lose a lot of time marketing. You may not be able to set up your website right. You may not actually be an interesting person. So even if you have valuable knowledge to share, people may not find you interesting or exciting or worth watching for a while, okay? Or maybe you don't have access to people that have something valuable to share. There's a million reasons why it will be very hard for you to make it as a teacher, which is why one of the wonderful things is you can also be an affiliate marketer of great teachers, which is kind of what I train people to do. And what I'm going to ask you to do right now is, if you are looking to get in this space, find a valuable product, find a valuable information product or a digital course from somebody you watch and respect, whether it's me or whether it's Kevin David or whatnot. If you can put up marketing and sell another teacher's product, that is the first step towards going out there and selling your own product. Does that make sense? So start as sort of the franchisee and then become the product owner would be an easier step, because if you're marketing it, you're just doing one piece of the puzzle and then you move on to becoming the product owner yourself. But it does take a lot of risk and a lot of time to become a teacher. If you're looking to learn more about becoming an affiliate marketer, for instance, I encourage you highly, check out my training course. I think I brought it up right here. We have unbelievable amounts of success in training people to make their first dollars online, their first $1,000 online. And some of my students, over 5, have actually made their first $1 million online, which is unbelievably exciting for me. So if you want to learn more about that, there should be a link in the description. There's like a little arrow, you click it in the below the YouTube video, and there'll be a link where you can join a training or learn more about my 6-week course where I train people to be affiliate marketers, and I give them all the marketing materials and everything you need to actually post ads and start making money. So if you're interested in that, go below. Otherwise, subscribe to my channel, bang that like button, and put something in the comments. Let me know what you'd like to learn about next, or if you have any questions. Love to see you on the next videos. Have a good day.